Hey guys, I just finished filming a self-tape audition. As you can see my setup back there, and I was thinking it would be kind of fun if I showed you guys how I de-stress after a long audition day. Some self-care, some of my night routine, and just overall what I do after an audition. I'm gonna put this clip in the beginning of the video, but you're gonna have to watch till the end to see why I end up looking like this. Because this night did not go as planned and something dangerous happened, and now I'm trying to get myself out of a bad situation. Okay, please subscribe. Fun fact, whenever I film a self-tape audition, the aftermath of my room is atrocious. It looks like there was a natural disaster in my bedroom. So the first thing I do after a self-tape audition is I clean and put away all of my stuff. This is literally what my room looks like right now. This is terrible. And I don't even try to make it messy. It just happens after a self-tape. I can't go to sleep or relax when my environment is super chaotic and messy. I know it looks like there's a body right here. It's actually just my body pillow. And I always hug it at night and cuddle with it because I'm lonely and I'm single. So if you want to replace the body pillow, hit me up on Instagram. It is done. My room is all clean. She's looking pretty. The next thing I do to de-stress after an audition is to take my script, take the script, and I throw it away. Yeah, just throw it. Once I've taped and once I've put all my energy into it, it's over. That's as much as I can control. I've done what I could. I'm not gonna worry about it anymore. So the script goes in the trash, and if I hear anything back from it, then I will put my energy and emotions back into the project. Car keys. No hat, no hat. I have to go get groceries with my grandma. Yeah, I gotta go. Sorry. I have to put you outside. This is my first time vlogging in the car. You listen to Doja Cat?
Who?
Doja Cat?
I don't even know who that is.
You like Frank Sinatra, right? And stuff like that?
Frank Sinatra, and I like that guy.
Then I feel like you would like Doja Cat.
How do you spell that name? Josiekat?
Doja? I really like this one. This is fine. So we got all our groceries and now I'm gonna go get some coffee. Can I get a regular caramel frappuccino, please? Do you want whipped cream?
$9.40.
I need a straw. Thank you. How do you like it?
What?
Sugar? You know, I've had 10 cavities like at once. I was trying to lose weight and like I had a bunch of apple cider vinegar every night. Obliterated my enamel.
Yeah,
But I also have a lot of sugar, so.
that it protects your enamel.
I'm gonna be making a flatbread. La pizza. Okay? So I'm gonna be making a flatbread. First, we need to wash les mains. So you're gonna get your flatbread olive oil and just pour it on there. I don't even know what the technical term is for this, but I just like, I don't know if this is like a baster. Garlic spread. Now, I'm not like a qualified chef, so. I like a lot of sauce on my flatbread. Du fromage. So then you're gonna take your basil, make sure you rinse it. Time to make the salad. Then you just put the sauce on. admire. I am going to eat my dinner, but while I do it, I'm going to edit the audition that I filmed a few hours ago so I can send it to my agents so they can get it to casting tomorrow morning. I'll just review them, look over the ones that I like, put them into iMovie, and the reason I use iMovie is because I feel like you can compress your audition files really easily on there. It's pretty straightforward, and casting likes having small files when they're receiving audition tapes. I am going to get in the spa because this is a how I unwind and de-stress after a long, busy day of work. So what better way to do that than going into the spa? I thought it'd be fun to have a little spa segment in this video. Steamy questions in the spa with Michaela Lizak. From my Instagram, I asked you guys what juicy questions you had for me so that I could answer them. Do you have a boyfriend? Currently, your girl is single. I am not dating anybody. I am happily single. I'm going to college soon, and I'm not trying to tie myself down. I want to meet new people. Has anyone ever recognized you in public? I actually was recognized when I went to an audition like a few weeks ago. I walk into the holding room, and one girl and her mom literally beeline straight towards me, and I'm like, they're coming after me like really quick. And they're like, oh my gosh, we just wanted to say we love your videos and we watched your channel and you've helped us so much. And literally I felt so grateful. At what age was your first kiss? I was a freshman in high school. It was with this one guy that I really liked. We were walking out of my house, and before he left, I was like, can I kiss you? He was like, yeah. And so then we kissed, and it was really awkward. My first kiss was not very romantic. It was just kind of like, oh, that's what it is, like that. I didn't like that. Worst audition slash most embarrassing audition. Oh my gosh. Okay, I was auditioning for a Disney movie called Descendants 3. I was at the callback, and the callback was literally in like Disney building, 52 floors in Burbank. I get in a room. It's this huge conference room, like insanely big. There's this long conference table, probably seats 100 people. There's about 20 people like in a concentrated area. And so I have to go there and I have to like do my audition and I have to sing. And I was so nervous that when I was singing, my voice cracked and it was really not good. Atrocious. And everybody knew it, and they were like, oh wow, yeah, your voice cracked, and we could tell you're really nervous, so thank you. And oh, don't see that. Sophia, run! Y'all don't understand. I hate spiders. Sophia, where did the spider go? Sophia, where'd it go? Come on, here. He's going to ruin my relaxation trip. Y'all see him? Y'all see him? Yeah, you better run away. Okay. Okay. I took a shower and I took off my makeup, and that means it's really time to relax. I'm going to apply this Paula's Choice exfoliator just with a cotton pad. Like drip it, and then before it like drips down, I just pat it all around. If I put it right on the cotton pad, it'll just absorb all of it. And forehead reveal. My forehead is one of my biggest insecurities, other than my acne. It's giving Rihanna, Tyra Banks forehead. I'm just gonna apply this. It's a moisturizer for nighttime. I don't know what the heck is wrong with my eye. Like, what happened? So just don't mind it. I have these eye masks, and I've never used an eye mask before. I'm an eye mask virgin. But I thought I'd try it because this is a little special video where I have a night routine. What the heck? I thought these would be like jellies. disappointing. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Is this how I'm supposed to do it? Okay, I think this is how I'm supposed. Oh my gosh, dude, I can't blink. It's how I'm supposed to do it. It's not affecting your mouth. Why are you talking like that? Oh my gosh, that's so weird. I like can't look down. It looked like I got injured. It says leave these on for like 30 minutes. I'm gonna turn on a diffuser. We're gonna relax with some lavender. Like literally 2 drops is like enough. Three. It's time to see the magic. Lavender rise. I love this little thing. It's so cute. I am moving out of my childhood home. What the heck? A battery just exploded and there's battery acid like on the box and kind of on my blanket. Just, oh my gosh. Okay, it's still sizzling. I don't really know what to do. I opened it up and that's like juice that came out. I do not know if battery acid is dangerous. Okay, is battery acid dangerous? Okay, exposed to Bro. This relaxing night has turned into something completely different. Can I touch battery acid? Oh, it can cause a skin reaction, chemical burns. Flush the area. Here's what we're gonna do. I can't have this explode on my face or anywhere on my body. I'm gonna put on some clothes, protect my skin, and we're gonna go throw it away in the trash can. It's time to suit up. Cover my neck. I'm gonna put on my pants. Gloves. My dog is scared. I am too big. I am too. I do have glasses, but we need to protect our eyes. Okay. Moment of truth. Someone probably think I'm robbing the house right now. Literally, if I run into a robber, it'd be like the Spider-Man meme. Rip that sign. I liked the message. We are back. That was very unexpected. I need to take these. That was stressful. I just wanted to make sure it didn't explode because it was sizzling and popping. I didn't know what was gonna happen. That's never happened before. Trying to live that aesthetic girly life and well, she popped. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to leave a like on it if you liked it and please subscribe because we've been through a lot together. Just subscribe at this point if you ain't subscribed already. And yeah, I apologize for the non-aesthetic ending. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.